If you guys want me to go first this time, I can show you what I did. I didn't do anything like music related, but basically everything that had to do with our YouTube video.
Sure.
Okay. All right, so this is our first ever devlog entry video on YouTube. We already have 3 views. I think those views are me, but uh, check it out.
That's pretty cool.
Basically, I just went through and framed our names. So the whole video, you can't see our Discord name anywhere. There was a couple of spots where I had to like blur it out. But yeah, there's our first devlog video.
Nice. Okay, I'll have to I'll start sharing that.
I'll
Oh
start
yeah.
playing it in my sleep.
Yeah.
Get a
For real.
streaming farm going.
Yes. For real. Then we'll get some more videos. And then Case, when you finish that logo, I'll put it in this.
Sweet.
And then we can make a cool like background. But that's basically all I did. I didn't do any like music or anything.
I'll go real quick because I really don't have a whole lot, but I was able to come up with a couple things.
Sweet.
That's cool.
I started like the tile set for the town.
Oh, okay.
So I haven't shaded it at all yet, but it's mostly just shapes that I'm working on.
Sure.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
And then I did a little more work on the logo.
Oh, that looks really
The-
cool.
The black background definitely helps, yeah.
I'm trying to make it so we can put it on top of any background.
Hell
Oh,
yeah,
I
that's
see, yeah.
awesome.
I like the
Yeah.
ripped piece of paper.
Yeah, I like the
Yeah.
shadow behind it too, Case. That looks good.
That was Kalani's idea.
Oh, Kalani for the win.
And I was like, I need to figure out how to make it so like the ink is like part of a piece of paper, and I just didn't even think about this. And she was just like, well, it could be like a ripped piece of paper in the corner, and I was like, okay.
Hell yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that's clever. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, the studio's there. Nice.
Little work in progress still, but
I think that looks good, yeah.
coming together nice. But that's all I got.
I have quite a bit to show
Hell yeah.
this week. So I'm going to show a few things because there's so much added that I'm just going to go through the process of showing it all to you. One, these guys probably look new to you. We have usable items now. So, like, these are actually health potions, and the scroll is like a magic scroll that casts a one-time spell. Let me pick up some items here. These guys, like the potion and stuff, these go on your action bar. Okay, and then we'll put this right here. So one thing that's added that's cool is that the enemies have health bars now.
Yay.
And they only show when there's damage. So, and it reads accurately.
That's cool.
So that's 4 out of 100. And I'll take this away later. I just keep it there to make sure the math is right.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. As you can see, there's blood splatter. I was able to set up an array where I can upload as many blood animations as you want, and see it spawns them right there, and then after a few seconds it goes away. And same for me, like if I get hit, there's blood that's left right there, and then and what it does is I took all 3 of Casey's blood animations and it pulls from them randomly. Now I can hit number 2 and I healed myself for 5. And then if I use another health potion, I'll heal for another 5 to 18.
Oh, okay.
What's cool is with the scroll is, and let me take off the bow so this isn't confusing. So this is a scroll of magic arrow, right? So if I aim at this guy and I hit number 1, I just shot an arrow and used the scroll. So what that means is now that we can have basically magical items. Say it's a gem that gives you experience, or a gem that casts a fireball, or say it's throwing knives. All that's possible now. Same with the potions. We can have a mana potion, health potion, experience potion, stamina potion. All of that is totally in play now.
That's awesome.
So to go back to this, and this is going to be quick, so try and watch. It's your level up animation. It is in place. There's a few problems with it, but let me just show it to you first. I'm going to shoot this guy, and then it's going to happen.
Oh.
So it looks pretty good, but the problem is that if my character turns this way, it stays.
Ah,
I tried to make it to where, and it does work. Like when you level up, say I'm facing this way, then it faces the animation of the level up the same way. But if I change while it's going, it doesn't change with the player.
does it follow the player though?
Let's see. Let me grab a bow here. And this one's fast experience. Takes me to 10. And then we'll shoot this guy down. And here we go. Oh, no. Okay, so I can fix that, though. So where it stays with the player.
Yeah.
I was thinking it could be cool, even if it was like the. I mean, I don't know. It could make the whole game like pause for that moment to make it more powerful. I don't know
Yeah.
how often we're gonna be leveling up though.
Oh, okay. I mean, that's a good idea. Yeah, I could I mean, that would be really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll just freeze everything when you level. So it's just like a moment, you know, like, oh,
Yeah.
shit. See, there's the health one. When I got a health globe, it gave me one. But yeah, so we have health bars now that spawn and die with the enemies. Pick up consumable items that work with the action bar, and all the numbers, 1 through 5 or however many or 6, work with each one of these. So we have the ability of health potions and magical items now that are one-time use. Or like I said, it could be throwing knives or ninja stars or fireball spell or whatever. It doesn't matter. We can do whatever we want with it.
That's awesome.
So like I was saying about the blood animation, so like right here, I just upload them, right? So I just made prefabs of each blood animation that Casey made and made it its own basically game object. And then when I go to my player, I can upload them here and I can add as many as I want.
Nice.
And then what it does is every time the player takes damage, it just pulls from one of these. It doesn't care which one. And then so you have random blood splatter. And then right now, so this is where we set up everything for like our health potions. So description, icon, pick up icon. Is it stackable? Is it consumable? And how much health does it do? One thing I am struggling with right now that I'm working on currently is getting to where this magic arrow, that this damage amount actually works on the thing. Right now it does 0 damage to the enemy. And I'm trying to figure out how to get this float to basically pass. Because what makes it hard is that each thing has its own. They have one damage method basically to take damage. So I have to create independent take damage method for this specifically. Let me see what else I have on my thing. I showed you the level up, the blood effect, consumable items, the usable items, and health bars. So yeah, that's everything I got.
Sweet.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Looks good. Everything's coming together nicely.
Good job,
Yeah.
guys.